So today we're going to be talking about what tools you need, what basic tools you need to repair a bike. So the main things that you're going to want to repair on a bike usually are the brakes, the gears, and sometimes a puncture repair. So those tools, luckily, they're all similar tools that you can use on different parts of the bike, and it's the same tools that you'd use. And these are the tools that you're going to need. They are a spanner, a Phillips head, and you're probably going to want to get a flat head as well, just in case. A 4mm Allen key and a 5mm Allen key. Here's how to remove a stubborn handlebar grip. So you're going to need a few tools, and believe it or not, they're the same tools you use on most of the other parts of the bike. So you should have one of these. Allen key. I'd go for the 5mm Allen key, which is usually it's thick enough to get in there, but not too thick that it rips the handlebar grip, so you can use them again. But it's also, because it's quite thick, you can get a bit more power in it. So, I mean, you could go for the 4 as well, or the 3. I've got the 3 here. This one would work, but obviously, size difference, you get less leverage. So, I've wiggled it down quite a bit, and now if I just, there we go. Took about 5 minutes, but we got there.